We installed a full lifetime roofing system through GAF in Stevens, Pennsylvania. The homeowner was looking to transform the look of their home, as well as they were aware of lack of ventilation in the attic, as well as 2 layers of shingles that need to be removed and replaced. We started with replacing any rotten plywood and beams. We also had to rip off 2 layers of old shingles from the original roof. Watch us dump those old shingles from the equipter into our trailer for waste removal. Next, we installed synthetic underlayment to help shield the new roof against moisture damage. Take a look at how we transfer the new shingles onto the roof to prepare them for installation. To finish off this roofing system, we install the new Timberline HDZ Shingles in the color charcoal. We also installed brand new black seamless gutters with gutter guards to protect those new gutters from the leaves. We also installed black fascia to match the black gutters and other accents around the home's exterior. This home looks completely transformed after the new roof and gutters were installed. Contact Top Tier Exteriors today for a free inspection on your roof, siding and gutters. We also offer junk removal services as well as interior repairs due to water damage. We are licensed and insured. We always put high-quality materials and top-notch workmanship first.